Magandang umaga sa lahat. So ngayong umaga ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano natin mapapanatili ang pagkakaroon ng variegation ng ating mga variegated philodendrons here at Il Paraiso. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing, updating, and cultivating orchids and ornamentals, you will always be updated. Ang plant variegation ay ang pagpapakita ng halaman ng ibang kulay maliban sa nakasanayan na kung saan ang kulay o ang normal na kulay ng halaman ay luntian o green. Now, pag sinabi nating plant variegation, it has something to do with the tone or the colors that has been produced by the leaves, the stem, or even the fruits of the plant. So this time, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ko napapanatili ang pagkakaroon ng variegation ng aking mga philodendrons dito sa Il Paraiso. Okay. So, ito po ang aking Jose Bono. Okay? So, tandaan ninyo, try to look at this. So, from the moment that I purchased this, no, from the Twins Garden, so this is the face of, no, ito yung mukha ng dahon ng aking Jose Bono. Okay. So kung ating titingnan hanggang sa pinakadulo, no, tingnan niyo ang kanyang stem. Okay. So tingnan niyo ang kanyang stem. Talagang nagkukulay puti siya at meron siyang kaunting green na linya doon sa kanyang stem. And if we try to look at this, no, tingnan nyo yung kanyang dahon, talagang halos buong dahon ay variegated na, and then on the tip portion meron lang siyang kaunting green, no, meron lang siyang kaunting green na color. However, there are still white spots on the green portion of the leaves. Okay. So ano nga ba ang aking ginagawa sa aking mga philodendrons, variegated philodendrons here at Il Paraiso to maintain its variegation? Okay. So of course, we need to look at the media. Okay. And then of course, yung amount ng sun na kanyang nakukuha. So this type of philodendron, this is, no, they will not survive if we will try to place them in a full sun condition. So that's why mahalaga sa kanila na naaarawan sila sa umaga lamang. And then during noon time and afternoon time, they will be shaded. Okay. So, on my previous video, pinag-usapan natin ang media na aking ginagamit, no, sa aking mga philodendrons upang matulungan silang maging healthy ang kanilang mga roots. Tingnan ninyo, healthy ang kanilang mga roots. And then the media that I am using, the 10, 10, 10, and 70%. So 10% for the cocoa cubes, 10% for the cocoa peat, 10% for the vermicast, and 70% rice hull. Okay. So maliban ay nilalagyan ko rin sila ng anong tinatawag natin dito? Anong tawag natin dito? Ang tawag natin dito ay slow release fertilizer. And you know what? Yung aggressive feeding na ginagamit ko sa aking mga ornamentals, nakakatulong po siya that we could be able to maintain the intents of its variegation. Kaya every or once a week talagang ay applied aggressive feeding tree on them so that I could be able to make sure that this philodendron, the intents of its variegation will be maintained. Okay, so I want to have a testimony this time. So, titingnan natin kung paano ko napabalik ang pagkakaroon ng variegation ng aking pink princess. So, maliban sa Jose Bono na andito sa garden, meron po akong giant dark form na pink princess na after I applied aggressive feeding tree, bumalik ang kanyang variegation. And I hope that this, ito ay magtutuloy-tuloy na po para makita natin ang ganda ng aking pink princess. Okay. So, once again, ito yung Jose Bono, and all you have to do is to apply aggressive feeding tree for you to be able, or you will be helped to maintain the intents of variegation of our variegated ornamentals sa ating mga hardin. Okay. So this time pupuntahan natin ang aking pink princess. Ito po ang aking pink princess. So this is a giant dark form pink princess, and sa loob ng medyo mahaba-habang panahon, hindi talaga siya nagpapakita ng variegation, maliban lang doon sa mga pink spots na makikita natin sa kanyang dahon. Okay, so bibilangin natin kung ilang dahon mula nung magkaroon siya ng variegation hanggang sa ganito na siya ngayon. So sa madaling salita, bumalik na po ang kanyang variegation after I applied aggressive feeding tree. Okay. So, this one. So, sa aking nakaraang video, yung pinakahuling dahon na nalantana, yun ang pinakahuling nagkaroon siya ng variegation until such time na wala na talaga, hindi na siya nagpakita maliban doon sa mga pink spots. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the 11th leaf. Okay. So, I want you to focus on the stem. Kasi hindi lang siya halata, meron na siyang kakaunting variegated na line. So, after I applied an aggressive feeding tree on this pink princess, talagang bumalik na, unti-unting bumalik ang kanyang variegation. So, I would like to appeal to the viewers, to my subscribers, those people who love to grow philodendrons. I want you to use aggressive feeding tree for you to be able to maintain the intents, the beauty of the variegation of our variegated philodendrons. Okay. So that's why during my previous video, kasi itong aggressive feeding tree, hindi ko na siya ginagamit sa aking mga orchids because for me, based on experience, there is really a negative effect. However, when I applied aggressive feeding tree to my philodendrons, and I could be able now to make sure that my philodendrons talagang bumalik ang kanyang variegation. And if you try to look at this, this is not only for my pink princess, for my Jose Bono, for my Paraiso Verde. Here at Il Paraiso, there are still variegated, philodendrons that I have here at Il Paraiso, that the intents of its variegation was being maintained because on the use of aggressive feeding tree. Okay. So, ito yung fear ko sa aking variegated Burl Max kasi kadalasan nagre-revert ang kanyang mga dahon. However, because on the use of aggressive feeding tree, I don't have worries that this philodendron will be reverted. So, titingnan natin because I have a Monstera borsigiana aurea na binili ko sa The Twins Garden in minimal price. Titingnan natin because it is a reverted Borsigiana aurea. Titingnan natin if this aggressive feeding tree will work for to ano tawag doon, to rebirth, no, to rebirth the variegation of that Borsigiana aurea. So titingnan natin and I will give you an update, but as of this moment, I would like to appeal as what I have said, that you can use, you can consider aggressive feeding tree for you to be able to make sure that the intents of the variegation of your philodendron will be maintained. So I hope with this video presentation, I imprinted another experience, sa mga plantita, sa mga plantito na talagang mahilig mag-alaga ng mga philodendrons. Actually, I've been for 7 months, I've been for 7 months in growing philodendrons, because at Il Paraiso, as what I have said, 80% here are hybrid orchids. But you know what, the happiness that this dahon-dahon na naibigay sa akin araw-araw, hindi talaga siya nababayaran ng pera. So maraming salamat sa panunood, hanggang sa muli, at salamat sa experience, salamat sa panunood, hanggang sa muli. God bless, bye-bye, and stay safe everyone.